Hey guys, Tom from Lush here. Today I want to review a website called superpay.me. It's one of those sites that'll pay you to complete trials, take surveys, watch videos, and so forth. It's not as well known, but they are very legit. They have paid out, as you can see right here, over $3.7 million. So if you're looking for one of those sites where you can make a couple dollars, you're not going to get rich. It's one that I've actually was pretty impressed with. So in today's video, I wanted to talk about how it works, how you can earn cash and points, as well as earn free gift cards. So let's begin. So to sign up, it's pretty easy. It's pretty straightforward. As you can see, this is the sign up page. It's going to ask for your name, create a username, as well as your mailing address. On the bottom, make sure you put in which payment option you want. The most common one, obviously, is PayPal, but they also do Payzus, Grill, as well as Bitcoin. That's an option that a lot of companies don't offer, so that makes them pretty unique. Also, in order to sign up, you need to be at least 18 years old. You will not repeat these offers on similar sites. They do offer other sites such as Offer Nation, and then you're going to consent to verification checks. You won't use a proxy, and in doing so you'll get banned. This is pretty straightforward. As you can see, this is the sign up page. It's going to take you about a minute or two, and once you create your account, you're going to land on your dashboard here. Once on the dashboard here, it looks a little cluttered, but I promise once you start using it, it's not as hard as you think. On the top, it's pretty straightforward. Each option brings you to what you click on. So you have surveys, you have offer walls, and so forth. What I like to do is, when I use this site, I have used the survey section. I'll show you that in a second here. But in the meantime, let's take a look at the dashboard here. You'll have your cash balance, you'll have your points, as well as people you've referred, if you do want to refer people, as well as how much you've been paid in total. And then you can scroll down just a little bit here, and you'll see that they have site news, if you want to read any news that they post, as well as the top paying offers. This is the one you really want to look at, because these are where a lot of your surveys and higher paying options are going to be. And if you're interested in any of them, all you're going to have to do is click on it. And when it loads, so for example, I clicked on that one router, and this says complete one of these surveys. You can complete this up to 10 times a day. So 70 cents has a potential of making $7 for every survey you complete. So if you completed 10, you're going to get that $7 just on the Daynata daily surveys. So if we went back to that top paying surveys, we could start at the top here, and let's go to the next one here. And this is the Your survey. This is the second one, and this one pays even more at 85 cents. You could complete a survey, and this one's unlimited, so you could keep doing it all day as long as you get surveys. Remember, with surveys, you're going to have to be approved. You can get disqualified from a lot of them, as well as complete them. Some are pretty long, so it's going to be a little harder than you think, but I just wanted to show you that these routers are going to vary in price, but there are a ton to click on, and that's where I put most of my effort in when I'm making money on the site. So aside from that, you also have your categories on the top here. We already went through the paid surveys, but as you can see, if you highlight them, you can also go to the top survey and paid offers. That'll take you to a page that'll look something like this. It's going to be the same as that front page, and you can click around on them, and it's going to take you to a page that looks like this again. If we go back to the dashboard, you also have your offer walls, and the offer walls are a little different than your surveys. These offer walls are going to be more like completing something and getting paid. So let me show you an example. Peanut Labs is a very popular third-party resource, and if you scroll down, you can look at all the featured offers. So if you didn't even want to use your credit card, you could click I don't want to use my credit card at no cost, and you'll just scroll through. So for example, if we were to get a daily goodie box, it's no cost. This info, submit your info, you get 33 points. And you can keep scrolling down and seeing if any of these are of interest. Some of them are pretty scammy, like these prize giveaway ones I don't like to do because they do spam your email a lot. But if you're wondering in terms of what you make, points can be converted into cash on the site. So every point you earn is worth a penny. So for example, this 65 point one will be worth 65 cents. So most of your money is going to be made in that paid surveys and offer walls, as well as your referrals. If you go to the referral link, you'll have a special referral link. This is mine right here, and you get 25% of whatever your referral earns. So if your referral earns $1, you get 25 cents. And not only that, your referrals are going to get a 20-cent credit when joining. It's not the best sign-up bonus, but I just wanted to put that out here just in case you know of anyone that might join and start using it. And then aside from that, if you want to try to win money, you can join the contest. And how the contest works, the top 20 members who earn the most by a specific date can win any of these prizes. So this person right here has already earned $598 since January 1st. That's been a little over a month now. And you can see that a lot of people have earned hundreds of dollars per month. So it's definitely possible. And if you earn that, you can then get those bonuses. So that's something cool to go for too if you plan on using the site a lot. So when it comes time to get your rewards, it's as easy as going to your rewards and clicking on the withdraw cash button, and it'll take you to a page like this. Most people are going to choose PayPal because it's unlimited withdrawals per day and you only have to have $1 in your account. The instant PayPal, you can do up to $50 a day. Again, you only need $1. They are going to take fees out of your PayPal, unfortunately, 2%. And aside from PayPal, they also have Skrill, which is a withdrawal similar to the PayPal, but it deposits into your Skrill account. It also has Bitcoin. You can do one each day, but you do need $60 for this method if that's the option you would want. And if you go to the top here, I'm going to show you really quick. I mentioned those points earlier. If you do have points, it's going to show up in your points section, and what you will do is you convert points to cash if you want cash, or you can convert your cash to points, and then you would just pop in how many points you had. If you had 125 points, it would tell you how much you're going to get cash, and you click on the button. If you want to withdraw points, you would go to the withdraw points, and you can instead get gift cards if you didn't want PayPal. So if you wanted, for example, I have the $7, I can get 700 points, and then get an Amazon gift card instead, as well as choose a Tango gift card, which has a variety of options like Amazon and Nike and Starbucks. In terms of how much you need, you only need $1 for PayPal, you need the $5 for the points. All cash options, as you can see, are usually paid within 24 hours, but more commonly between 2 and 8 hours. So they do pay, and I will show you proof that they pay on this screenshot here. This company is legit, but as always in most of my videos, I also want to show you what the internet's saying about them. So let's go jump into the pros and cons before I conclude the video here. Okay, so for the pros, payments are fast, usually less than 24 hours. Most of the time it's 2 to 8 hours. They have instant PayPal, so if you want your money instantly, you can get that $1 pretty fast. They also have Payza and Skrill option if that's what you want, as well as a good referral program. Earning 25% for life on a referral is very good. And in terms of the cons, let's take a look here. The offers usually aren't that unique because you're using third-party sites, so nothing's unique like Swagbucks can offer certain connections to other survey companies that they only work with. That's not the biggest con. Some people don't like that. There's been reports of locked accounts, but that goes with just about any site. And they ask for your driver's license to authorize your account in some cases. And some even said they were asked for a utility bill for confirmation. Even if you're verified, they can hold your payment. But I didn't come into this problem. I just read this online. I just wanted to show you the pros and cons for both here. So that concludes the video. SuperPayMe is legit. They do pay. They have support staff. They have lots of offers and surveys. I think you can make a couple dollars a day. It's a great site if you want to earn a couple dollars by the end of today, because you can cash out instantly with your dollar. As long as you're verified, it's going to come within those couple hours, usually within the 24 hours. Like I mentioned, it's going to come usually within 8 hours. The $1 minimum payment is what a lot of people like. So give it a try. It's free to join. They have tons of offers, tons of surveys. You're not going to get rich in doing it. As long as you have that mindset, you can have fun with it. Check out the link in the description. I go more in depth on the review and how it worked for me. For now, that concludes the video. As always, you can check out the website lushdoller.com. You can go to the video section for more ways to earn money, save money, and be smart with your money. That does it for today. I'll see you guys next time.